Today we're sharing some simple tips on how you can maintain your air conditioner and keep it running smoothly, especially during the hot summer months. First up, change your air filters regularly. This is one of the easiest and most important things you can do. A dirty filter restricts airflow, making your system work harder and use more energy. Aim to check your filter once a month and replace it every 1 to 3 months depending on usage. Next, you'll want to clean the area around your outdoor unit. Over time, dirt, leaves, and debris can clog up the fins, reducing efficiency. Make sure to clear at least 2 feet of the space around the unit so it can breathe and operate properly. Don't forget to check your thermostat settings. Keep your home comfortable without overworking your AC. Consider setting it a few degrees higher when you're not at home, or use a programmable thermostat to adjust automatically. Finally, make sure to schedule regular maintenance checks. Having a professional inspect your system at least twice a year can help you catch small problems before they turn into big, expensive repairs. Taking these simple steps can extend the life of your AC, improve efficiency, and keep those energy bills under control. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more plumbing and HVAC tips, and we'll see you in the next video.